If you've ever created custom frames for Canva, you know that it's not necessarily complicated, but it does take a few steps. You usually have to prepare your SVG shape, clip a PNG into the shape, export it as a PDF, and upload it into Canva to test. And if you're working with multiple frames, that process can get repetitive fast. So, in this video, I'm going to show you a much faster way to turn any SVG or PNG into a Canva frame in seconds. And by the way, if we haven't met, I'm Tiffany, the creative girl. I build tools and tutorials to help digital creators simplify their workflow. I built a tool called Frame Creator that automates the process for you. Frame Creator is a desktop app that runs right on your Windows computer. As you can see, it has a clean and simple layout. On the left side, you have your upload area and your settings, and on the right side, you have your preview area. You can preview your frames before you download as a PDF. It's very simple. You drag and drop your SVG or PNG with a transparent background, and the app will detect this shape and convert and does the conversion for you. And that's it, and you download it. So let's get into it. Let's do some examples here. Okay, so let's get into it. Let me show you how everything works. We're going to do 3 demos, a single SVG, a multi-frame SVG, and a PNG. Okay, I have my File Explorer open here and I have Canva open. So we're going to start with this hard SVG here. We're going to drag and drop it to the canvas, and it instantly created a preview for you. We're going to add a 10 pixel stroke and press preview, and we're going to download as a PDF. It took 0.1 second to create. We're going to go to the output folder. You can access here, but I already have it up in my File Explorer. So this is the PDF, and we're going to drag and drop it into my Frame Creator folder that I created in Canva. Okay, so we're going to click that. Okay, and we're going to go up to Elements and drag an image into the frame. And that's easy as 1, 2, 3. And you can also change the color of your outline if you want. Okay, so the next example is going to be a multi-frame SVG. Going to do this alphabet here. Okay, it detected 36 frames, which is 26 letters and 10 numbers. And we're going to turn it to dark mode so we can see them better. And we're going to turn the stroke off. Oh, I meant to do 0. Okay, now we're going to download that as a PDF. It took 3.3 seconds. So now we're going to go to the output folder, and this is the PDF here. We're going to drag and drop that into Canva. And as you can see, it's uploading there. Uploads. Okay. So each letter is its own individual frame, and you could take this into the whiteboard and increase the size how you want it. So we're going to go to Elements, and we're going to drag some, you put a different paper into each letter. Okay. Okay, and now let me make this bigger so you can see it. Okay, we'll minimize that. Okay, so the next thing we'll do, we're going to go back to light mode. We're going to do, let me turn the stroke back on. And we're going to do, we're going to do this picture frame here. It's an SVG. Okay, and it has that pink stroke because I just added it back there. So let's download this as a PDF and take it into Canva. It did it in 0.4 seconds. Okay, and this is the PDF here. We're going to drag that into Canva. Okay, go to Elements. And we can drop any image into the picture frame. Okay, we can make that bigger. Okay, let's minimize that. Okay, then the next thing, we're going to go back to shapes. And I have some PNGs here. Have this dog PNG. And it automatically applied the stroke since I had it in the settings. And here is a PNG with some text. It takes a few seconds to render that. Okay. And we can take this into Canva. We're going to download it. 2.2 seconds. Okay, this is it. You're the ketchup to my fries. We're going to drag and drop it into Canva. Elements. Can make this bigger so you can see it. The lines are smooth, everything. Okay, and that's how it works. Frame Creator is the fastest and easiest way to make custom Canva frames. No Photoshop, no Illustrator, or complicated workarounds. You just drag and drop, preview your frame, and download as a PDF. If you want to grab Frame Creator for yourself, the link is in the description below. And if you found this helpful, make sure that you subscribe because I have more videos coming showing you how to get the most out of this tool and other apps that I've created. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.